Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am participating in the Spring Decor DIY Under $20 challenge hosted by two lovely ladies that have wonderful channels, Homebody with Forlisa and also Sharon from Creative Glam. They have asked us to create a Spring Decor DIY for $20 or less. And I want to thank Sharon and Forlisa for hosting this collaboration. Thank you for the open invite, and I also is glad that I was able to participate. And I'm going to leave a link below in the description box to Sharon's channel and also Forlisa's channel and also the playlist. Please go over to their channels and check out all the videos. Thank you again for watching. Be blessed, everyone. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to join the Deals with Lady P family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification button that you'll be notified of all the videos as they come out. Thanks again. Be blessed, everyone. Bye-bye. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go over the things that I'm going to purchase this wreath with. But before I do, I just want to say that this gives me a perfect opportunity to make something for my front door. Right now, the weather is still a little chilly here in VA. Last week we had a couple of nice days, but it's going to start perking up and I'm going to start doing something for the outdoors. Last year, I did for the spring, I did a blue and pink spring wreath out of grapevine, and I did DIY and it came out really nice. But I took all of that off and reused that same grapevine wreath for the fall. And right now it's too far back in the garage. I can't get to it in the garage. I didn't leave it out, which I should have, but I must have packed it away with the fall items, and right now I can't get to it. So I just purchased this wreath from Dollar Tree. So I want to do some yellow out there, and I'm still going to use my same blue, and I'll probably be spray painting some pots out there. I haven't done anything. So this gives me an opportunity to get started for some outdoors, because spring is coming. I mean, spring is just right here, like this week. So the first item I purchased is this wreath, how do you call it? The wreath for from the Dollar Tree. And then I purchased, I want to make a tulip wreath. This was like stuff be in my mind, and I wanted to make a tulip wreath this time. So I choose yellow, and this one has some orange on it, and I think this will still go really pretty with my blue and white pots outside. So I purchased 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are 2 together for 5, 6, 7 bunches. So 7 bunches of tulips, and these are the small tulips. And this I purchased from Michael's for $2 a piece. And I got one of these that's, I got to find out where this go to, because I want that back on. So I'm gonna stop the video as I cut them, because instead of me using one bunch, now some of them use one bunch, which would be probably really full like this, but I'm going to use 2 bunches. I already kind of check and see how how it would look split up. So instead of me using this whole bunch, I'm going to split it up, because it's like 8 stems on each one. So I'm going to split it up, and I'm going to cut them all off, and then I'm going to come back. But I also purchased this floral tape, and I also have some floral wire. And I watched a couple of videos on how to do this tulip wreath, because I had seen it like a couple weeks ago in AC Moore, and I took a picture of it and I thought it was really pretty. But when I went back, they didn't have, I usually take a picture of things and kind of see if I could duplicate it. So I couldn't figure out how they did it. So I watched a couple of videos, and one person I really liked, she used this wreath. Everybody else used the foam one. and theirs was pins. I know hers just looked more simpler. I'm gonna leave a link below in the description box to her channel, and hers was a little bit more simpler, so I'm gonna try her wreath out. But she used the floral tape, and then another video I watched used floral wire, and she used it on the grapevine because she said that when she used the floral wire, it lasted for 5 years, and when she used the glue gun, it came apart and she had to redo it in the with the floral wire. So I'm gonna use the floral wire and the tape. I'm gonna tape these together like she did in one video, and then I'm gonna secure it with the floral wire. So I'm gonna use both of them, and I think it's gonna come out nice, even though I'm gonna split these. So I'm gonna cut these, and I'm gonna come back after I cut these up or take them apart. Now I'm gonna show you how I put these together. Now first I slide all the leaves up, all of these up. Most of them look like I already slide them up to the top of your stem, and then I put it together like this. I take one with the 2 leaves, take one with the one with the 2, and then one with the 1, and put it all together. And then I take the floral tape and I wrap it around. And you don't have to, but I wrapped it all the way around to the end. You don't have to. And it's the way it looks. And then you could probably work with your bunches. You could spread them out a little bit if you want to. Make them look more fuller. Move them around like you normally do with flowers. So I got one more to do, and this one missing a leaf there. Like a smaller bunch. And I just take the tape. And the other ones, they just took pins and they would take the pin and pinned it onto the foam. So I had already purchased this, and like I said, I really wanted my grapevine wreath, and I really have to search for that because I don't know what I did with it. I see the stuff that was on it. I think it's in the fall container. I think that's where it is. And that is how I did all of them. And then with this floral wire, you don't have to, it just tears apart. I didn't want any of it. Yeah, it just tears apart, so you don't have to worry about scissors or anything with this. Works pretty good. This one looked like a small bunch. We'll put that to the side. But these how they all came out. And I did all of them. And then I'm going to start putting them on. And see, they all, how they all came out. Nicely done. Okay, I tried to get a little closer. I'm going to start putting my flowers on. And she put on with the floral wire, no, floral tape. I'm going to start it with that. But I know I'm going to try to secure it with the floral wire. So she just wrapped it around it. And see, to me, when I'm pulling on it, is this floral tape is breaking. So I'm going to show you how, okay, I put 2 of them on. And so I did tape this. I didn't put the wire here the last time I put the wire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that right along there. So you can actually see. Can't see any tape because this is spread it out. And I'm going to wrap the tape around this. So I'm just going to show you how I'm doing it. And I never did this before, so okay, let me just hold it with this hand. Okay. And I'm just going to keep wrapping it. And that's the next one done. And I'm going to keep going around like this until I can complete it, and I'll be back. Now I'm going to stop here and show you where I decided to lay the stem on. Most of the stems were laid onto here. Get one of these little wire parts where you can lay your stem. Sometimes you might have to bend it a little bit, and then I would take it and hold it onto there and wrap it around. And I'm using my left hand right now, and I'm not left-handed, but I'm holding the stem with my right hand. Probably see if I can switch. I just caught a bad cramp in that finger over there using that left hand. So I usually like hold it right here, and I find it keeps it nice and steady instead of just having it hang, the stem hang in the air out here. I would lay it on one of these little brackets or whatever I want to call them, but then I would just wrap it around like this and keep wrapping it. Now I had 7 and I split them. I would, if you want to do this, if you choose to do this, I would get 8. 8 is perfect. I had to kind of move 1 or 2 down when I got close to the end. But you can work with your flowers to hide it. So I would get 8, and 8 you had plenty. I had 7. So I had a nice hole in mine. So I had 7. So 8 would have been perfect. If you decide to do this, you're definitely going to need the 8, because I had to go to Michael's and get another. I had to go back to Michael's and get one $2 bunch. So I'm hoping this, I have to add it all up. Hopefully it meets the criteria of $20 or less. And I'm just trying to finish off this one, the flowers in the middle. I tried to, I'm not good at DIYs, but I'm trying to learn them. But I'm holding this on top of that bar there. So I'm going to put these last 2 on to fill up this gap, and that will be it, and I will be back to show you the end product and the results. Okay everyone, this is the finished product, and you could just take, you know, just fluff it out like you do any other floral arrangement. Put the flowers where you want them to go. But I think it came out so pretty. I love the yellow and the gold. It's going to look really nice with the navy blue. Wish I had navy blue, but that's okay. I had navy blue last year, and this yellow going to go so nice with the blue planters. And that is the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have not already done so, hit that subscribe button. Join the Deals with Lady P family. I would love to have you. And don't forget to hit that notification button that you'll be notified of all the videos as they come out. I want to thank you again for watching. Be blessed, everyone. To be a blessing. I see you all on the next video.